Hi guys, welcome to this course I've prepared for all my friends, all my fans and new clients. This is how to develop a monitoring and evaluation system. This is a very important course guys. I'm so glad you've come. I'm so glad you've enrolled in this course. You see, a monitoring and evaluation system is really what drives all M&A activities that are being done in any project around the world. And I'm so glad that you're here. You're going to learn a lot. This has been properly packaged. Don't mind about the price for this course, because usually this kind of course is selling. If you look around in the market, it's selling for more than $200. It can even go up to $800, guys. But here on Udemy, you're getting it at a good discount. So the value you're going to get far surpasses the price you're paying, which is quite affordable. Okay, so I'm your host, Coach Alexander, and again, I'm happy that you're here with me today. Okay, so now I've been in the M&E field for 10 years now, and actually it's not 10 years, it's over 10 years, and I have to mention that it has been really a wonderful experience. I've learned a lot. Sadly, it had to take me this long to become the king that I am in M&E, but it's not lost years really, just to tell you the truth, because right now I'm training people on a monthly basis on monitoring and evaluation, and the reviews I'm getting are very positive. It has helped them do a lot of great things in their works, in their line of works, in their careers. It's really helped them a lot. So the good part, the positive part, even though I've been in this thing for 10 years, you can be an expert in actually less than 2 years with my help. And there are quite a number of courses I'm running here on Udemy. Please be sure to enroll in them if you want to at one point or another. All right, there's something I always mention to my friends, clients and students, that you see, M&E is something that can be applied anywhere. It can be applied anywhere for as long as there's a project running. And in this world today we live in, there are many projects all over the world. Let's talk about China, for instance. China is where it is because they spent all their years running projects. If you look at the Great Wall of China, that is a project in itself, but which was of course done many years back. But I mean, that is a project in itself. The US is a big economy, Brazil is a big economy, UK as well. So you can see that the world is just engulfed in projects anywhere you go. And as a monitoring and evaluation officer, you fit into each and every project that is running, whether it's roads, whether it's buildings, economic empowerment, governance, and policy making. You fit into every part of those projects. Okay, so now I want to explain to you how we're going to be running this course, all right? Let's look at the course outline. So it's pretty simple, guys. We're going to briefly understand what monitoring and evaluation is, and I'm not going to even spend a lot of time because I'm assuming you have a basic understanding on that. But then we're going to look at the 11 steps to developing and designing and implementing an M&D system. So already I've listed down those steps. Even if you go to the internet right now, you're going to see that the internet has these steps. But what I've done in this course, we're going to dig deep and we're going to understand what do these steps mean? What do we do when we reach this stage? Okay. And then finally, implementation of the M&D system. Okay. So now this part, guys, let me tell you the truth. This part is very important because when it comes to implementation of the M&D system, some people don't actually have a documented M&D system. in their organizations, but they're actually implementing it. Okay, they're implementing something they don't have. All right, and I know that can be confusing, but all I'm saying is that they're doing activities, but it isn't well documented. So now when you reach this stage of this course, I'm going to walk you through on how you actually design a survey, because a lot of times M&E we rely a lot on data collection. So I'm going to show you how to design a survey, then how to conduct a project baseline. Then this is one of the most important parts of this course, the impact evaluation. If you've never done an impact evaluation in your life, you're going to learn how in this course. All right. Okay, so that was a short introduction to this monitoring and evaluation systems development course. So please stay tuned as we get empowered in this groundbreaking course. See you on the other side. Bye.